Let's go on to the chapter tissues on page 70 and 71. We have been discussing about different kind of tissues, that is plant tissue. Basically plant tissues are divided into two groups, meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Meristematic tissues are dividing cells, and based on the position of the growth or position of this division cell, dividing cell, we can divide it into three groups, three types of meristematic tissues. One is apical, which helps to increase in height of the plant, and second one is intercalary meristems, which helps to bring out the leaf or branches of the plant, and third types lateral meristem, which helps to bring the grid means thickness of the stem and the root. Meristematic cells are having less or lack of vacuoles because they go for division. Their function is not to store the food, whereas permanent tissues are having large vacuoles. Now let's move on to permanent tissues. These permanent tissues are divided into two groups, simple permanent tissues and complex permanent tissues. Today let us discuss on simple permanent tissue. This permanent tissue derived from or made from meristematic tissues. Meristematic tissues are divided in cell. As time passes, that means with the time, after a few days, these meristematic cells lose the ability to divide because they don't go for division after a few days. Thus, it turns to permanent dead cell, that means non-dividing tissues. This process of taking up a specific role and lose the ability to divide and taking up a permanent shape, size and a function is called differentiation. So who go for differentiation? These meristematic tissues differentiate to form permanent tissues. First type of permanent tissue is simple permanent tissue. These simple permanent tissues are further divided into parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma, simple permanent tissue, has thin cell wall and they are living cells. They are usually loosely packed, which senses that there is a large space between the cells. That means we can say intercellular space are found in these tissues. Tell me, what is the function of this parenchyma, simple permanent tissue? This tissue provides support to the plant and also store food. Some of the parenchyma tissues are having chlorophyll. Such a type of tissues are called chlorenchyma. You know that what is the function of chlorophyll? It performs photosynthesis. Some of the parenchyma permanent tissues are having large air cavity, which helps the plants to float, that provides buoyancy force to the plant, which help them to float over the water. Such a type of tissues are called parenchyma tissues. Parenchyma tissues are found in leaf, stem, root, fruit of the plant. So in parenchyma tissues, we have seen different types of tissues. One is arenchyma, the other one is chlorenchyma. Chlorenchyma perform photosynthesis. Arenchyma help the plants to float in water. Mainly hydrophytes, water plants are having such a type of permanent tissue, that is arenchyma tissue. The second type of simple permanent tissue is collenchyma. Here between the tissues, very small amount of space is there. That means intermolecular space is very less. Cells of this tissue is a living cell. Collenchyma cells are elongated and irregularly thickened at the corner. That means only at the corner little thickness you can find. Now tell me, what is the function of such collenchyma permanent tissue? It gives flexibility to plant. It helps the plant to move without breaking. Mainly it is found the border of the leaves, so that the leaves, it does not allow the leaves to break while moving. Moving senses that when the wind blows, plants bend here and there. So it helps to give flexibility for the plant. Thus, it bends in different direction when the wind blows. These tissues also provide mechanical support to the plant. The third type of permanent tissue is sclerenchyma. This tissue makes the plant hard and stiff. We can find such type of tissue in husk of coconut, that means cell of hard part of the coconut, and also nut cell. We can see such a type of sclerenchyma permanent tissue. These tissue cells are dead cell. These cells are long, narrow, and thickened cell wall. This thickened cell wall is due to the cemented like material called lignin. It is a chemical substance. There is no intracellular space between two cells. We can find such sclerenchyma tissues in stems and around vascular bundles, in the veins of the leaves and the hard coverings of seeds. The function of parenchyma permanent tissue is to provide support to plant and also helps the plants to store food. Whereas collenchyma tissues gives flexibility to the plant as well as gives mechanical support to plant. And in sclerenchyma tissues make the plant hard and stiff, only provides mechanical strength.